Sitting here wasted and warm, this old piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause a bottle of vodka still lands in my head. Some blonde gave me nightmare, think that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they won't make me when I'm there. With an ironclad fist, wake up, friends kiss this morning. Was a marching band, keeps on beat in my head while we're talking about all the things that I long to believe about love, the truth, what you mean to me, and the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down on the bed of roses. Oh, tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost says, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, except that I take on my way. King ransom and John, give it snap to see through this paper. Still I ran out of time, oh it's hard to get through to the birds and the wild. Pass me back to you, I'll just close my eyes and whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down on the bed of roses. Well, tonight I sleep on the bed of nails. I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost says, lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this order bang out over whiskey gone dry. The housekeeper's big group, and she's giving me the eye. I might have said yeah, but I love so hard I think I died. Ooh, yeah. As you close your eyes, oh, I've been thinking about you. While my mistress, she calls me, sending her spotlight again. Tonight, I won't be alone. But you know that don't mean I'm not lonely. I got nothing to prove, oh, it's you that I die to defend. I wanna lay you down on the bed of roses. But tonight I sleep on the bed of nails. I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost says, lay is closest. The Holy Ghost can lay you down the bed of roses. This mic, parang nawawala yung echo. Wala yata yung echo. Wala yung echo. Hindi ko marinig yung echo. Ano ba rin? Hello, test mic. Yan. Kanina wala yung echo. Kaya pala minamag naman ako. Hello to the people watching me right on session. Don't forget to tap the stars on the party section, please. Baka si Miss. At yung nanonood sa YouTube, andyan pa ba kayo? Ano ba magandang kakanta eh? Na may backing track. Mag-backing track tayo. This from Beatles. Wala akong kanina. Ang hirap kumanta pala ng langay ko. Play natin yung backup. Something. Ba't tayo mag-play? Something in the way she moved attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she woos me. Don't wanna leave it now. No, I believe it now. Somewhere in his mind, she knows that I don't need no other lover. Something inside that shows me I don't wanna leave it now. You know I believe it now. You asking me where my love grow? I don't know. I don't know. Stick around, it may show. I don't know. I don't know. And all I have to do is think about something in the things he shows me. I don't wanna leave it now. You know I believe it now. That was from Beatles, something. Something in your mind. I don't wanna leave it now. You know I believe it now. Ano bang maganda? Come together? No. Gamit din ng backing track. Come together. Mas maganda pala yung... Hindi ko nahihirapan ng gitara. Here come old bloods up, he come. Rubens lonely, he got Dodo eyeball, he won. Holy roller, he got her down to his knees. Got to be a dogger, he just do what he please. He wear no shoe shine, he got Southern football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you, wish you got to be free. Come together right now. He made projection, he got Wallace Gamble, he got on the Zyball, he won Spinal Cracker, he got come together right now over me. He roller coaster, he got early warning, he got body water, he shoot. Nakalimutan ko lyrics. Bakit? Come Together ng Beatles. That was Come Together ng Beatles. Hindi ko alam kung maganda yung labas. Baka hindi maganda yung labas ng ano.